Hey there, welcome to Shahy's Easy English, and I'm your English teacher, Shahy. Today is another fun video. Are you ready? Are you ready? I hope so. Okay, so today we'll be looking at will. Will, okay? Last time we looked at it and it was for requests. But today we are looking at the use of it. How do we use it in everyday life? Okay? I'm not going to give you a big long list. I'm just going to give you the information that you need so you can use it in everyday life. It's not complicated, okay? So what will happen in this lesson? We will look at the use of will, okay? And will be and going to with some question tags. How do we reply, or how do we ask the questions related to this word will? So okay, it will be in that order. So let's do this. Hi there, I'm Kat, and I'm going to talk to you about the pronunciation. Okay, native speakers don't always say I will go, you will go, he will go, she will go, they will go, it will go. Oh no, they just say I'll go, you'll go, he'll go, not he'll go, okay? She'll go, not shall go, okay? He'll go, she'll go, they'll go, it'll go, it'll go, okay? It can be anything, okay? It can be any noun, but not a person, okay? It can be hair, it can be clothes, it can be an animal. But if the animal has a name, we have to call it by the name. We can't say it to it because the owner has given it a name. Okay? Okay, so number one is a quick decision. So what's the quick decision? Right, something we decide in the moment, like when the phone rings and you say I'll get it, I'll get the phone, hello, okay. And when you're hungry you say, oh, I'll order a pizza. So you don't think about it, you just decide. Or I'll go to sleep now because I'm feeling sleepy, or I'll have a nap, I'm feeling sleepy. Number two is when you are saying to somebody, how do we say it? We can say, for example, don't worry, I'll pick you up from the airport. Okay, don't worry, I'll be there for you. Don't stress, I'll pick you up from them. To pick up somebody is to go and get them from the airport. To pick up, it doesn't mean you're picking them up physically, no, it's to go to the airport and get them and bring them back home, just to pick them up. Okay. I'm busy and I need to take my car to the garage. Oh gosh. It's okay, no need to stress. I'll take your car to the garage. Okay? I'll take it to the garage right now. Number three, okay, we're still looking at the use of will. Okay, so number three is a promise. When we make a promise, we say, I will. Okay, I will. Okay, a promise is something that you mean to do and you will not change your mind. I promise I'll always be there for you. Do you mean like when Whitney Houston says, I love you? Okay, to a friend you can say this, I promise I'll be on time. And somebody might say, yeah, right. That means I don't think so. Okay, so a promise and a threat. Will is used also for a threat. What's a threat? A threat is when we say something to somebody and we tell them we will report them to another person and they will get in trouble. Okay, I'm going to tell your grandma you stole sweets from the sweet shop. Disgusting, disgusting. I'll tell the teacher. You are swearing. Okay, so will is also used for predicting, probability, okay? When you think something might be, possibly be, or definitely be, you use will, okay? For example, they will probably, most definitely, try to find oil on Mars, okay? The bus is probably, definitely, most likely to come in 5 minutes, okay? So when you're waiting at the bus stop, okay, where the stop is, and you wait for the bus, and maybe you put your arm out to stop the bus stop, so the bus will come in 5 minutes, okay? Maybe it will arrive. Instead of arrive, we usually just say, the bus is gonna come in 5 minutes, or the bus will come in 5 minutes. Yeah? So can we only use will for predictions? No, we can also use going to for predictions. Okay, going to. The bus is probably going to come in 5 minutes. They're definitely going to try and find oil on Mars. Yeah, I think they would, don't you? We can use going to for plans, okay? Okay, let's look at some question tags and different ways we can answer this question. Okay, so will you go camping this year? Yes, we will go in September. Will you be going camping this year? Yes, most definitely. We will be. Would you like to come with us? Are you going to go camping this year? Yes, we are going to go camping this year and it's going to be fun. Or we can say, I won't be. We won't be. Will not be, okay? We will say, will you? We can use will you for request also. Will you put the kettle on? No, I won't. Put it on yourself, okay? I'm not your servant. It's just a joke. I think you got it, right? Other question tags we can use are, you won't forget to pick up the kids, will you? No, I won't. Will you be able to do my homework for me? No, I won't. Do it yourself. Okay, things like that. Over to Shahy again. So when else can we use going to? Okay, we can use going to for predicting something when we see the sign. Like when it gets cloudy, we can say it's going to rain. Okay, or we know that there is summer and it's going to be really hot on that day and the sun is out. Okay, it's going to be really hot today. It's going to be the hottest day of the year today. Okay, the bus is going to be late. Maybe there's an accident on the road, or maybe it has to take another route. Okay, so you can predict. There are signs. Many times we just use going to. Okay, will you in question? When somebody says to another person that they love and they want to propose to them, propose marriage to them, then they will say, will you? Will you marry me? Okay, this is what they say, and the person might say, yes. Or they might say, I don't know, and they might get nervous and run off. You've seen this, haven't you, on YouTube with the funny videos. This often happens that people get nervous and run away, and sometimes they just say yes because they're embarrassed. Okay? I hope you don't do that. So we've come to the end of the video. So I hope that you will like the video, like, share and subscribe if you didn't already. Thank you everybody for subscribing, all the new people, and thank you for all the support that everybody is giving me. Thank you so much, I really appreciate it. And check out the links below, there are some really cool links for you. And last time we looked at requests, could you, would you, will you, and I think you'll find that very useful. I've linked it below, so do have a look. Take care. See you soon. Stay safe. Bye for now.